Hi, it's Ollie here from Robert Ellis. What I've got for you today is a lovely 2-bed end terrace, originally constructed in the 19th century. This property has recently undergone an extensive refurbishment and extension, located in the Derbyshire town of Sandiacre. Great links to the M1, Junction 25, A52, Nottingham Derby, and also fantastic bus links. Come take a look. So to the front of the property, there's a fantastic amount of off-the-road hard standing parking, and also there is a really nice array of well-established shrubs and plants. So as you walk into the property through the front door, you're greeted with this really nicely sized living room, which benefits from a feature fireplace and contemporary beams to the ceiling. So walking through from the living room, you're greeted with this really nicely sized living kitchen diner. Once again benefits from a feature fireplace. Also the recently refitted kitchen with hardwood work surfaces, a gas oven and hob, double drainer sink and fridge freezer. So on the first floor, we're greeted by two really nicely sized double bedrooms that both benefit from period fireplaces. There's also an impressively sized family bathroom which benefits from a freestanding bath, close coupled WC, and also a wash hand basin with a shower enclosure as well. So to the rear of the property, you'll find a great amount of planted borders, this lovely patio area which is great for entertaining, and also the garden is a really impressive size, featuring a log store and a workshop down the end. So there we have it. That's this lovely 2-bed end terrace property. If this is something that interests you, whether you're a first-time buyer, this is your second buy, or if you're just downsizing, please, if you want to take a look around this property, organise your viewing through our Stapleford office. The number to call them is 0115 949 0044. If you would like a valuation of your property so you can buy something like this, once again the number 0115 949 0044. Thank you.